Today's video is inspired by Buffalo, New York. Buffalo, New York is located just 30 minutes away from the beautiful and infamous Niagara Falls. This recipe is my deconstructed version of buffalo wings that you would normally be served at a restaurant. It's an easy dip to make for parties and Super Bowl gatherings. Using canned chicken is the easiest and most inexpensive way to make this recipe. This recipe has a mild spicy kick, and the blue cheese crumbles helps to smooth out the flavors. To make this recipe, you're going to need 2 5-ounce cans of chicken chunks, 1 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/3 cup of blue cheese crumbles, a half a cup of mayonnaise, 3/4 cups of Frank's Buffalo hot wing sauce, and 2 tablespoons of diced celery. You can go to sightseeingsavings.com to see the full recipe. Now you start off by adding the drained canned chicken chunks into a mixing bowl. 3/4 cups of the Frank's Buffalo hot wing sauce. 1/3 cup of blue cheese crumbles. A half a cup of mayonnaise. Then you're going to take softened room temperature cream cheese and you can cut it up to make it easier to mix. Then you turn on the mixer to make sure everything turns out nice and smooth. This is what you want the texture to look like. The next step is to transfer the mixture into your Instapot. If you're looking to get an Instapot, I'll leave an Amazon link down below. This is what the dip looks like inside of the Instapot. You don't even need to seal the lid's vent for the slow cook setting. You need to click on the slow cook button and then set the timer for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're going to take the lid off the pot and stir the mixture. Now you put the top back on so the dip can continue to cook. This is what the dip should look like once the 30 minutes are up. For the last step, you just need to dice up a celery stick. Dice up 2 tablespoons of celery. Put 1 tablespoon of celery into the dip and stir. Now you're going to use the other tablespoon of celery to garnish the top of the dip, and this is what the finished product looks like. I prefer to use crackers because the buttery flavor helps to level up this dish in my opinion, but it's up to you if you want to use crackers or chips. Let me know in the comments below if you normally use crackers or tortilla chips for your dips. Okay, now it's time to eat. Thanks for watching Sightseeing Savings Tips and Tricks.